Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a double Louis Vuitton unboxing and reveal. I've got an SLG and a bag that is extremely hard to get. Now, this SLG, I've already revealed it on my Instagram, so I'll leave my Instagram handle here. Check it out because I usually reveal and share stuff before I share on YouTube. This SLG, I purchased it from the Chadstone boutique on Sunday, and today's Thursday. At the moment, Chadstone is still open for essentials, but the only luxe boutiques that are open are still Louis Vuitton and Dior. Like literally everything else is closed. And what happened was I messaged my CA about this particular piece. He said he's got one in. He just received it on the day and he reserved it for me. And then a few hours later I got ready, went straight to boutique, picked it up and then went straight home. And the bag that is really hard to get, I had no idea that this came from the David Jones boutique. My friend Sunny, hey Sunny, he said that this is like a new boutique in David Jones. When I paid for this, the sales associate said I had to purchase David Jones gift cards and I couldn't understand why. I was like, what happens is if you're purchasing directly with your sales associate, they don't accept credit card over the phone. The only way you can purchase is via direct bank transfer or gift cards, like David Jones gift cards. And when I received the box, I sprayed it. It's got some security check seal, so DHL has opened it to check just to make sure it's okay, and I received it today. So I'm really excited to do a true unboxing with you guys. Really excited. And without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, let's move to the SLG first. It came in this bag. Like these bags come in handy, like when you're making like a small purchase, whatever. What if it can fit in this bag? You know, bring it in the house. Honey, I did some grocery shopping. Sneaky purchase. Okay, so I've got a little Louis Vuitton shopper bag here. And this one, yeah, came from the Chadstone boutique. Oh, I love it. So it comes with the receipt, which is here, and then sliding this open, you guys guess what it is? It's an SLG that is quite hard to get, but I've noticed because a lot of boutiques are closed around the world, there's a lot more available online now, and so harder to get pieces are much more readily available. It comes in this little dust bag. So this item in this dust bag, I have rejected it twice before because I wanted the monogram. So that being said, can you guess what item this is? All right, revealing to you. Ta-da! So what I have here is a Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and it's in the gorgeous Damier Ebene. It's like an all-weather type of SLG. It's in this gorgeous Damier Ebene canvas. You've got the checkered print. This one says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. You've got the gold toned hardware, the gorgeous chain. And one thing that I love about mini pochettes is when the chain just hits against the canvas and it makes that noise. And I'll unzip it, and when you open it up, you get that gorgeous pop of red. It's gorgeous, like Christmas, isn't it? And then you've got the two tags in here, coated fabric cowhide leather trim, and this skew, which is there. And oh, you guys, fresh Louis Vuitton. It smells so amazing. This piece was made in the 6th week of 2020. So it's a 2020 piece. So now I have the mini pochette in Damier Ebene and the matching one in monogram. How cute. And I've been using this one as a little mini bag. Literally nowhere to go besides the supermarket. But even now I'm scared to go to the supermarket, so I'm going to just stay at home and order my groceries online from now on. So this one came in at 465 Australian dollars. This one I purchased last year in October from the Crown Boutique. This one came in at $400, so it has increased by $65, but these are a great price point because you can use this as a mini bag. You see, like this multi-pochette strap I purchased separately from a lady who was selling her strap because she wasn't using it, and so yeah, I snapped it up and I'm using it with this because I just love the khaki. It's so chic, isn't it? And it's the mini pochette. It's the same thing as the multi pochette, but it's just like a smaller cute little version. This one also matches my Alma BB, little Miss Alma BB. How cute. That red interior. I die. You know how the mini bag trend is so in right now? I have got my Louis Vuitton Pochette Felici. I can use the chain from this bag onto here and use it as like a literal mini bag, because nowadays bags are getting much smaller and smaller. Have you guys seen like the Nano Baguette, the Fendi Nano Baguette, or the, I don't know, even Louis Vuitton are making mini bags at the moment. So you can attach her here like that and wear her as a crossbody bag. How cute. So I can wear her just like that with the interior, that pop of red. It's gorgeous. You know how like these little top handle bags with the short are so in right now? Like very 90s vibe. I can wear her just like that as well. I can use her as a little grab and go pouch. Also, I can use her as a catch-all for my other bags. Love the gold tone hardware. The thing about this is that I wish the hardware would just last. I wish they would put like a stronger coating or something on it just so that it doesn't tarnish as easily. Or I wish that they would still have used like true brass, but now they don't, and it's more like gold tone coated metal. The stuff tarnishes quite quickly. I mean, you can't really have this combination with silver hardware, though it will be great because it won't tarnish, like you won't see the tarnish as much as the gold, but it's so cute. So it's a really good price point for a Louis Vuitton mini bag. So if you can, try and get your hands on one of these. So the lipstick that I am wearing today is a Glossier lipstick, and I've been obsessed with Glossier lipsticks, and this one is in the color Cake. It's like a orangey brownie nude color, because it's such a stunning color. It's got a really nice scent to it. Makes your lips look smooth and plump. It's very pretty. Okay, now moving on to the parcel that I got today, which came in this box here from the Louis Vuitton David Jones boutique. They sent this on the Monday and today is Thursday, so there has been quite a delay because everyone is just shopping online. It'll be interesting to see how this item is packaged because it didn't come from the head office. So it came from the David Jones boutique in Sydney. Oh my gosh, all right, so it's not like your typical, you know how you would have that Louis Vuitton box that you would get from the online boutiques. Oh my gosh. So this is how it came. Tissue paper, and oh, I've got the bubble wrap, and that is the box. How cute. And then here I can see, oh, okay, there's a shopper bag in here as well. So I just take this box out. You've got the invoice. And then in here we have the shopper bag. And that's it. Comes in this gorgeous little box, magnetic box. I've got my receipt, which is the, yeah, it says Louis Vuitton, Sydney, David Jones Women, ground floor, Castlereagh/Elizabeth Street. So this is the David Jones receipt, and I had to purchase 4 gift cards because each gift card maximum that I could put on it or purchase is $500. So let's undo the ribbon. And then you've got the magnetic box. Oh my gosh, how cute. So can you guys guess what type of bag it is? Oh, so cute. So you open it up. Oh, that's so adorable. I can feel it. And then you've got some tissue paper in here. So this is a bag that I have been on the hunt for months and months and months. And it's so hard to get. The first time that I saw it in person was when I was in the Apple store in Chadstone. And this girl, oh my gosh, she had it and it looked so cute. I didn't realize how tiny it was. And then I saw it on my friend Lily. Hey Lily, if you're watching. And it's so adorable on her. She had to purchase hers through a personal shopper, so she paid a big premium for it. but I didn't want to, and I mean there's a lot of opportunities for me to purchase this one from a personal shopper, but the reason why I prefer not to purchase from a personal shopper is because, for one, they hog all the stock, for two, they charge extortionate amounts, they charge a huge premium, which I wasn't willing to do, and there's nothing that beats purchasing a hard to find bag or SLG directly from the boutique. It's sort of like an Easter hunt, you know, you want to get the Easter egg. So with that being said, can you guys guess what bag it is? All right, revealing to you. Oh my gosh, ta-da, how cute. Oh, she's so little. Oh, so cute, you guys. Oh, let me check. Oh, she's so cute. So let me have a look at her. Nothing beats fresh Louis Vuitton, and she's perfect. Yeah, she's perfect. All right. So what I have here is a Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy, and this is one of those bags that is so hard to get. Is this so adorable? Oh my gosh, she's so little. Look at the, I'll give you a zoom in. Look how bright red the glazing is, and the monogram is so fresh, and the vachette leather is gorgeous and fresh too. Oh, she's so cute. And I didn't realize this, but it's got like the little zipper pull, which is exactly like the mini pochette. I'll just share with you the mini pochette zipper, the Nano Speedy zipper. How cute. It's so little. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, so I'll unzip her and I'll just check. Hopefully she's made in France. She is. She's made in France. So it says here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And on the inside, you get the little tab, which says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim. Just put that there. And on the underside of the tab, let's see what year. All right, so she is made in the 9th week of 2020. It says TY, which is like, thank you. So she is fully fresh as anything. And she is so adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to have her in my collection now. I can wear her crossbody on the shoulder, handheld. Definitely my hand won't fit in this, but how adorable, right? So what happens with my Louis Vuitton vachette leather bags is I like to spray it with a protector just so that I get an even patina. There are no like watermarks, water stains. If I accidentally spill something on the leather, it doesn't have like blotchy stains all over it. And the one that I like to use, which I recommend, and I've used this one on all of my vachette leather Louis Vuitton bags, is this right here. This is a spray called Tana, and Tana can be purchased from Maya or David Jones in the shoe department. So this one is called the All Protector, suitable for leather, suede, nubuck and fabric, and it protects against water, dirt and grime, and suitable for all colors. I protect the canvas and I spray everywhere else. This will just help it have a really nice even patina. So this one retails for 1,520. So let's compare this to the mini pochette in the monogram. How cute. And you know what? I've seen like, I think a few people who have cut off the strap for this bag. And what you can do is you can actually probably use the multi-pochette strap on the Nano Speedy. If I don't like, or if I don't end up using the strap here, I could possibly attach it to here. Let me see. Yes, that is cute. Let's say you don't use the strap for it. How cute is that? And you can use it like fully crossbody even. Let's see how that looks. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Definitely will never reject any more of these. If I do find another one, I will do a giveaway on it as well. I find that waiting it out is so much more satisfying. Go around, get some sales associates cards and keep in contact with them and just keep messaging them, and you know, if they have something that will pop up, they will notify you right away, which is what happened here. And yeah, my friend notified me. He got me onto the sales associate at the David Jones Louis Vuitton boutique. So thank you so much, Sunny. I love this. It's so adorable, and it gives that story as well, because every time that I use this bag, I think of him. So it's really cute. I might call this little bag Sunny. That is all for today's video. If you have any comments or questions regarding these two items mentioned in today's video, please do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you do enjoy my content, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so every single time I upload a new video, you don't miss out. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take care. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, just let it go. Your struggles will